No. No flashback at all. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep watching, honey. Keep watching. Your loose powder could never. Alright, so this is about to be like the quickest and easiest makeup tutorial ever. It's like cute but not doing the most. And I'm going to be using powder foundation or loose powder or whatever. And you won't have any flashback. So you'll be surprised. First and foremost, I am going to just brush my eyebrows. I'm not filling them in at all. I'm just going to keep them as is. There's nothing to do with for this look. Now I'm going to take my Milani mattifying primer and put it in my oily areas because honey be oily. Next, I'm going to use my color corrector by LA Girl. I'm gonna take my mattifying finish spray by NYX, spray my beauty blender and blend it in. Here is where the powder foundation comes in. I'm going to be using my Zuri loose powder. Literally the best loose powder I've ever met in my life. And I say met like they're a person, but it's like the best loose powder I've ever come across, and it is in the shade Nuit. I normally used to use Cocoa Bronze, but they discontinued it, I guess. And this is the next best thing, and it actually blends a little bit better to my skin, I feel like. So I ordered it offline. I cannot find it in any beauty stores. They used to carry it, I guess. And I ordered it off of Amazon. It was between $5 to $8. Can't remember, but I will leave the link to this down in the description box for you guys. And sorry if I'm talking so low. I just feel like I'm talking really loud in my bathroom. I don't know. I already have a little bit in the top of it. So I'm going to take my little brush and I'm going to pat it underneath my eyes. This is from my sister's lash line. These are testers. And we're gonna see what they look like. Super, super pretty. I always have to look at them to see which way I need to put them on. I'm going to use my lash glue by IMV. You know, I literally just learned how to do lashes. And I'm gonna just do the next one off camera. I have both of my lashes on. Cute. I'm going to line my lips and put on my Fenty Beauty gloss balm. I'm just going to take down my hair, fix my baby hairs, and go. So this hair is 24 inches of Indian straight hair, 250% density. Is a 13x6 lace frontal wig from my hair company. I'm testing out a new vendor actually, and so far so good. This hair is like super soft, barely any tangling, minimal shedding, and it's just thick. It hasn't even had any heat put to it yet. It's pretty. So that completes my simple get ready with me Netflix tour or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join the gang, and I will see y'all in my next video.